So this is day 3 and we're about to mud the walls, and I don't know if you need a close-up of it or not. I'll just start it off, then I'll show you deeper in there. The best part. The best part. Okay, don't kill me, but I started painting the ceiling black without recording because I filled up my memory card. This is my phone, and I'm a very impatient person. I didn't want to wait to get my new memory card. So I painted the ceiling black. I'm gonna finish this part, then I'll show you the whole ceiling. Sorry. Which angle to cut it. That's the problem.
Je bent niet helemaal van dit, ja, dat doe je dan gebeuren. Nou, maar ja, bueno.
I'm gonna lushy myself. Alright, turn the light off.
Alright,
I forgot the main part.
I found it.
Yeah, that's it.
Good.
Yeah.